Never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another Vlogmas. Guess where I am, guys?
Another prayers. Give thanks for life. Yeah, man, to reach our life.
Yeah. I'm back. Yeah, so it feels good to be back. Yeah. Feels good to be back after 2.5 weeks.
Home sweet home.
Home sweet home. So, yeah. You know I need food now, right? Some proper food. Yeah, some proper food. Yeah. I have not enjoyed the food since I've been like in England. Not so I never do. So I need some proper food now. But yeah, first up. Alright guys, catch up with you in a short while. People, I'm back. Just coming out of Montego Bay Airport. Yeah. There we are, the Montego Bay roundabout. Yeah. So I'm home, guys. I'm back home. Feels good. Weather's good. It's hot to me. So yeah, we're still in my bay. And you see, this is the expansion of the. I think it's the runway. They're expanding the runway. Or yeah, but it is some expansion to the airport. But they're moving quickly though. Yeah. So I don't know if we'll get a longer runway. I think it's a longer runway, maybe an additional runway. And I know that they're going to also be redoing the arrivals as well. They're going to be fixing all that up, rearranging it. Yeah. So over there is where Niger Jam is. If you don't know, guys, there's an authentic Nigerian restaurant over there in where's this place called Rosal? Not quite Rosal, is it? Just past the airport. Yeah. Yeah, Plaza. Yeah, Ironshaw. Yeah. Niger Jam. I think we featured it on the channel already. If I remember, I will put it in the description, and I'll link the video in the description so you can watch it. Yeah, so the last time we went, we had jollof rice, which Outlaw went crazy about, knocking off the camera. If you remember, I'm gonna try and remember to put the video in the description.
Yeah, so I mean, if you get back over there, so I'm gonna get my fufu yet.
He needs fufu, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I have to taste that.
And what's a goosey?
And a goosey, yeah, that's up there. You need to taste them African dish. You need it, people. You have to go back over there.
So watch out for that one. Watch out for that video, guys. Yeah. Fufu and a goosey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Straight African food, Nigerian food.
Yeah. Nigerian food.
Yeah.
Remember, there's lots of different types of African food.
Nigerian food.
Yeah. So West African cuisine in particular.
Yeah. Yeah. Many taste. That's a lot more than we want to taste, but we don't know. When I see maybe.
But at least it's here. At least it's on the island. You can get it.
Yeah, man.
And there's a place in Kingston as well that we went to. I think it's Empress.
It never open.
Yeah, they're open back now. They're open.
Okay.
It wasn't open when we went, but they do Ethiopian food in there.
True?
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's called Africa Cafe. They do Ethiopian food there. So I really want to try Ethiopian food. I've never had it before.
We go back at home, I'm going to try that.
Yeah, but we got back. Yeah, we went the first time they were open. Guys, I look so tired. I know. I am tired. But yeah.
Yeah, tired people.
Yeah, homebound now.
And 4:30 every morning and come up to like 7:30, 8 o'clock at night.
Well, that's
you know what I mean?
what he's been doing, yeah.
Not that easy, no.
And I didn't sleep last night at the hotel in Amsterdam. I didn't sleep very well at all.
Right.
I didn't sleep very well at all.
Why you never sleep?
Because I just couldn't sleep.
Where you sleep?
And then you know it's hard to sleep on a plane sometimes. It's not proper sleep, is it? But yeah.
No, man, so why you never sleep in Amsterdam?
I just couldn't sleep at Amsterdam. I couldn't sleep.
Sure.
What's going on? I just couldn't sleep. Anyway. Alright guys. We'll a little later.
Don't do all the business.
There's no business to talk, I just couldn't sleep.
Talk to people, them.
Oh. People I just couldn't sleep. I don't know what to do. Don't follow him, yeah? People don't follow him. Alright? Okay.
Yeah, but me don't know what I want. She don't want to watch she has to say no. But me make her know what I want on the road. It coming, man. It coming slowly but surely. You make me feeling in or something, man. Don't worry about nothing.
Don't listen to him. There's no story. Why? So why didn't I sleep? Why didn't I sleep?
No.
So why are you telling them you're going to film them in?
Yes.
You wasn't there.
Well, everything's going to come out, man. I don't know what I want. But me and Fia, find out what I want.
Don't listen to him, okay? Don't make him turn your fool.
I'll fill you guys in with whatever going on.
Alright, later.
Something going on, but me tell you what I want.
Nothing ain't going on. Later.
Okay,
later.
Alright, my people. Me see you know what I want. Me tell you what I want.
Alright, people, first stop is Scotchies, the one in my bay. Yeah, definitely need to stop to Scotchies. Need to eat. Scotchies jerk chicken is always good. So yeah, Scotchies. Right guys, we're coming into this place called Main Street Rose Hall. It's like Plazas. We went to Scotchies. You saw us went to Scotchies, but it was full in there. But there's another Scotchies in here in this plaza. This is a newer one. It's been here maybe a couple of years now. This is where we are, Main Street Rose Hall. Just down the road from the other Scotchies, but they've got all different type of shops in here as well. Gift shops and all kind of different restaurants and stuff going on. So yeah, there's the main entrance over there. So we're gonna go into this Scotchies instead. Yes guys, so like I said, we're at Main Street. Guys, I have to give you a piece of joke in a minute, but we'll come to that. It's a nice feature, isn't it?
Yeah, man, nice.
It's a nice feature. The sun's coming down. It's a nice little feature. Look like they've got an event going on here. This is a nice, right in front of the water wheel. Yeah, this is nice. So yeah, we're in Rose Hall, Main Street. This is the other Scotchies, but this one's quiet. This is not like the. I don't think many people know about this one. This Scotchies. Huh? Yeah. I don't think much people know about this one because it's always empty when we come in. Yeah. That's a nice feature. So you got your gift, like I say, you got your gift shop and Devon House ice cream right there in front. It's a nice mural as well. This mural. This is nice, isn't it? This is nice. Which one is me and you?
Yeah, man, we don't have to
it's different eras. So which era? We're the 90s. What's the fun of the 90s?
90s.
Well, they all kind of look kind of 90s-y.
But a good man, because I have a man of a cat. See, two man have one cat there. Now they're 40 woman. That's how things go. Them three brothers don't go to know what them repent.
Just you know, having a good time.
Wrong with that.
Yeah. But yes, people, you must come down to Rose Hall, Main Street, I think it's called, and check it out.
Yeah.
You know, it's quiet in here as well. You see what's available. Rum and raisin, Devon stout, coffee. What would you choose? What would you choose?
Coffee.
Oh, boring.
Yeah, Devon stout.
I'll be rum and raisin. Yeah? All the different artists then on the wall. Yeah, Super Cat, Garnet Silk, Lion Rocket, Protege, Bujabantan, Garnet Silk, Junior Gong.
Jamaica, funny map in the music. All of them artists.
So all of this.
Yeah.
There's a main entrance over there, but I think we came in. And it's there. Yeah. All I want to pick you.
Okay.
Yeah. So guys, let me give you the joke. you want to get in the joke? He's so frustrated right now. So
what is my right? Where am I go?
Oh Lord. He's going on he's not turning on the wrong side of the road, is he? No, he's not. So we need to get some gas. And we stopped at the first gas station. They said, oh, we've only got a card machine not working. So I said, okay, fine. And my first comment was, welcome back to Jamaica. Anyway, went to the second gas station. Second gas station said, card machine not working, you know. Alright. So we just went to Scotchies, where I just showed you Main Street, the Plaza place. So went to, you know, find out if they take cards. What did she say? Card machine not working. All this in my bay, so I don't know what's about my bay. Like none of the card machines are working anywhere we go. Welcome back home, Deezer. Welcome back home.
Jamaica system is a fraud, my people. Fraud. The whole thing is a fraud. All the government is a fraud.
See, he's not in a good mood right now. Yeah. But still glad to be home, regardless. Yeah, still glad to be home. Like I know where it takes card, guys. We have to find one ATM. But this is Half Moon Shopping Plaza. Yeah. I always thought that this was just for the hotel guests. I never knew that people would just drive in. Pass it all the time on the main road.
You can do that, man.
Has anybody stayed at the Half Moon? I'd love to stay there one day, but the way the prices are set up.
Half Moon
prices. The way the prices are set up, not normal.
The prices is high, sky high to the moon.
Well, yes.
Yes. Not full moon, half moon.
Yeah.
You know why you about full moon?
Yeah.
You don't think so?
But this is Half Moon Shopping Plaza in my bay. We can get some cash because we're not having no luck with the cards. So.
No, sir.
Yeah.
No, I work with the card, that's
maybe one day we'll make it to Half Moon, innit, babe?
You think so too?
I think so too, so.
Half Moon, a nice place, you know?
Yeah, it's nice. I watched enough vlogs for it.
Martin is right down here, you know?
Oh, yeah, your brother. Okay.
It's right. It's a cook for this. I'll say that.
Okay. So, yes, guys, so on the vlog you've been seeing Mikey's Uncle Sam doing the cooking in the bush.
Yep, he used to work here too.
Did he?
Yeah, man, the big...
I know, I did, yeah, well, I did say he was a chef, but your brother's also a is a chef as well, and he used to work here too.
Seriously?
You sure? I think we've come out too far.
Not too far, it can't too far. Then what if you reach it, the car on it, must be up something.
Yeah, I think we passed it, because
No, man, don't worry about that, we're going to pass nothing. You have to go down and come around.
I always thought I always used to see a bank now. I always used to see a bank at the front.
Sure.
Alright, yes guys, so we're back at the Scotches again. We've got the CASHAPP comeback bag, got jerk chicken, rice and peas. I've got the same jerk chicken, but you've got bami. Fried bami. Yeah. And on hot sauce, this is a fiery one, but I like it hot. This one, the one you got?
Fiery?
Yeah, you said that's a hot one.
The one in the hot one.
Oh, is it?
Hot. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, I like it hot anyway.
I know.
All good?
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.